English Made Easy, Understanding Pigment Powder. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, pigment powder. This term might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts. The first word is pigment. A pigment is a substance that gives color to other materials. Think about the colors in paints, inks, or even the natural colors in plants and animals. These are all due to pigments. Pigments are important because they add beauty and variety to our world. The second part of the phrase is powder. A powder is a dry, dusty substance made up of very tiny particles. Imagine flour or powdered sugar in your kitchen. Just like these, a powder is fine and can easily be spread or mixed. Now, let's combine these two concepts. Pigment powder refers to a powdered form of pigment. It's like a dry, colored powder that can be used to add color to different things. For instance, artists use pigment powders to create different shades of paint. Pigment powders have a wide range of uses. They are used in art for making paints, in cosmetics like eyeshadows and blushes, and even in industrial applications like coloring plastics and fabrics. Their ability to provide vibrant and long-lasting color makes them incredibly valuable in many fields. I hope this video has helped clarify what pigment powder is and how it's used in our daily lives. Remember, learning a new language is all about exploring new words and concepts, just like we did today. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.